Welcome back to the second in our 2-video series on social media and internet marketing terms. We'll continue on where we left off in the first video. Networks are structures defined by nodes and the connections between them. In social networks, the nodes are people and the connections are the relationships they have. Networking is the process by which you develop and strengthen relationships. A newsreader is simply a tool that acts as an aggregator that pulls together the content from blogs and similar sites using RSS feeds, so you can read the content in one place instead of having to visit all the sites. An online community, simply a group of people using social media tools and sites on the internet. A permalink is the address, the URL, of an item of content, such as a blog post, rather than the address of a web page with lots of different items on it. You will often find it at the end of a blog post. A personal digital assistant, PDA, is a mobile device that functions as a personal information manager connected to the internet, often using a touchscreen interface. Photo sharing is uploading your images to a website like Flickr. You can add tags, and other people have the opportunity to comment or even reuse your photos if you add an appropriate copyright license. A podcast is an audio or video presentation that can be downloaded through a subscription to a website so you can view it offline. A post is an item on a blog or a forum. Profiles are the information that you provide about yourself when signing up for a social networking site. These should be used to the full. People like to know who they're dealing with. They are very powerful. Quantcast is used to measure the amount of traffic an URL receives, as well as data about the readership. When you're doing research, particularly client research, Quantcast can be very useful. An RSS, or really simple syndication, allows you to subscribe to the content on blogs and many other social media sites and have it delivered to you through a feed. Search engine marketing, SEM. This is internet marketing aiming to promote websites by increasing their visibility on search engine results pages. Search engine optimization, SEO. This is the process for improving the volume and the quality of traffic to a website from search engines via organic search results. Sharing is offering other people the use of your text, images, videos, audios, bookmarks, or other content by adding tags that encourage use of content. Social bookmarking, a method for people to search, organize, store, and share items, such as blog posts, articles, pictures, videos, audios, using the item's URL. Very, very powerful. The social media. This is a term for the tools and platforms people use to publish, converse, and share content online. The tools include blogs, wikis, podcasts, and sites to share photos. Social networking sites. These are online places where users can create a profile for themselves and then socialize using a range of social media tools, including blogs, video images, tagging, lists of friends, forums, and messaging. Subscribing. This is the process of adding an RSS feed to your aggregator or newsreader. It's the online equivalent of signing up for a magazine, usually free. Tags are keywords attached to a blog post, bookmark, photo, or other item of content, so you and others can find them easily through searches and aggregation. Technorati. Now, Technorati Authority is very useful because it's used to determine the number of times a keyword or URL are mentioned and linked in blogs. Threads are strands of conversation. On an email list or web forum, they will be defined by messages that use the same subject. Threads are simply strands of conversation. A tool is used as shorthand for a software application on your computer. A topic on an online discussion is an idea or issue or talking point in a conversation that's made up of a series of threads. Trackback. Some blogs provide a facility for other bloggers to leave a calling card automatically instead of commenting. Blogger A may write on blog A about an item on blogger B's site, and through the trackback facility they leave a link on B's site back to A. The collection of comments and trackbacks on a site facilitates conversation. Quite straightforward when you get involved. A troll. This is a hurtful but possibly valuable loser who, for whatever reason, is both obsessed by and constantly annoyed with and deeply offended by everything you write on a blog. An URL. This is a unique resource locator. This is the term for a web address. Ours, http://onlinevideoforprofessionals.com. Often there's a www in there as well. Virtual words. These are online places where you can create a representation of yourself called an avatar and socialize with other residents. Usually the activity is free, but you can buy currency using real money in order to purchase land and trade with other residents, becoming quite popular with some groups. Voice over Internet Protocol, VoIP. This enables you to use a computer or other internet device for phone calls without additional charge. They're extremely valuable for doing conference calls, which you need to think about. Web 2. This describes blogs, social networking sites and other internet-based services that emphasize collaboration and sharing. It's all about interaction rather than non-interactive publishing, which was at the heart of Web 1. Web-based tools. Well, many commercial organizations provide an increasing range of free or very low-cost tools, including email, calendars, word processing, spreadsheets, that can be used on the web rather than on your desktop. Widgets are a standalone application you can embed in other applications like a website or a desktop. And a wiki is a web page or a number of pages that can be edited collaboratively. The best known is, of course, Wikipedia. That's it. Hope it was helpful. Bye for now.